Who can I call?
What department can I go to?
Where do I go?
We need help.
What can I do?
Welcome to In Touch with Pinellas County. I'm Jane Muhrlin for Pinellas County Health and Community Services. Today we're in touch with Pinellas County Navigators. The Affordable Care Act helps qualified uninsured residents gain access to quality, affordable health care. To help individuals access insurance plans, the federal government developed an online health insurance marketplace. And in Pinellas County, navigators are available to assist residents better understand and navigate the system. The project is made possible through funding from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and the Health Resources Services Administration. Natalie Jackson, Director of Community Connections with Pinellas County's Health and Community Services, is here to tell us more. Welcome, Natalie.
Thank you. Thank you.
Natalie, tell us about how many residents are in Pinellas County that have no health insurance.
There are approximately 200,000 uninsured and underinsured residents.
And why is this so important to all of us in Pinellas County?
Well, one important reason, Jane, is that it reduces the burden of escalating medical costs associated with emergency room visits that are ultimately passed on to taxpayers, either in the form of higher taxes or increased medical insurance rates. And equally as important, it creates opportunities for healthier communities in Pinellas County, which aligns with the Board of County Commissioners' strategic initiatives.
Now, tell us about the Pinellas County Navigators. What is it that they do for our residents?
The Pinellas County Navigators provide information, education, and certainly assistance with enrolling into the Affordable Care Act marketplace. They can also assist with consumers applying for tax credits and cost-sharing reductions, and they can also assist with filing appeals.
And certainly, shopping for insurance can be a very confusing and sometimes daunting task.
Certainly.
And so the Navigators really help kind of take some of that frustration or
Exactly.
scariness away for us. Okay.
Exactly.
Now, tell us what kind of training they have to go through to become a Navigator.
Well, the training that they have attended has been very rigorous. There's a 30-hour training, federally facilitated Navigator training. In addition, they have attended cultural linguistic and diversity training, HIPAA training, and they've also been exposed to Medicaid and CHIP and other county referral resources.
So they're very well trained.
Yes, they are.
And
yes,
understand the insurance mechanism very well.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Now, who needs to enroll in this new affordable health care plan? And how do folks know whether or not they can qualify to utilize a Navigator?
Well, first off, with the Navigator, there are really no qualifications for receiving an assistance, so anyone can call in or go to our website and apply with them. As far as who should enroll, we would encourage anyone who doesn't have insurance currently to seek out Navigator assistance, and folks who are looking to investigate or explore other opportunities, say that they have insurance, there may be a better rate or a decreased rate going through the marketplace.
And that's a good point. There might be opportunities out there for folks to actually save money on their current plan.
Exactly.
Great. Now, how do folks actually find a Navigator near them?
Well, we have a website, and we feel that website is fairly user-friendly. It is pinellascounty.org/navigators, and we also have a phone line that folks can call into, which is 464-8411.
Great. And now, should people be calling ahead and schedule an appointment before they actually go out and meet with a Navigator?
Yes, actually they make those appointments online. They can go online to the website and be able to locate a Navigator that are located throughout Pinellas County, North, Mid-County, as well as South County, and schedule an appointment that is convenient for them.
So you've actually got folks that are located throughout the county.
Correct.
So it should be pretty easy for somebody to find a location convenient to them.
Yes, we believe that is, yes.
Great. And an important question, is there a deadline to apply?
Certainly. The deadline to apply currently is March 31st.
Okay. And tell us what we might need to bring with us when we meet with a Navigator. What kind of important papers might we need to start gathering now?
Well, one of the things that folks can do is to go on the website and be able to review the information that they may need to bring that is certainly applies to their particular situation. But the short list would include Social Security numbers for everyone in the household, prior tax information, employer information, pay stubs, if folks are still getting those. In addition to that, if they have insurance currently, they'll want to bring their policy numbers and immigration paperwork, if that's applicable.
Okay, so there's not a whole lot of information, just the typical things you might think of when you're preparing to have a conversation about any kind of service that's available, government programs.
Exactly.
Okay. Natalie, is there anything else that we should know about the Navigator program or the Affordable Health Care Act?
Well, one of the things that we have is a calendar that has events where the Navigators are providing information or education about the Affordable Care Act, and on that calendar it includes the events, and also we have informational sessions on the weekends that allows for non-traditional work hours beyond the 8 to 5 to be able to receive information at our Health and Community Services offices located in both St. Petersburg and in Clearwater.
So you've made it really very convenient for folks to be able to access the Navigators and get the information they need for this very important program.
Yes, we have, and they are competent and doing a great job.
Now let me ask you this. Somebody who might be tuning in now that would like to have an information session at their employment or at their employer's office or perhaps an organization, can you all facilitate that?
We certainly can, and we often do. And
Very
so
good.
all the person would need to do, they can go to their website or send an email in.
Very good. Let's give that website again.
It is pinellescounty.org/navigators.
And one more time for the phone number.
464-8411.
Great. Well, that's very helpful information, Natalie. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And additional details on the Affordable Health Care Act are available at www.healthcare.gov. That's all for this edition. I'm Jane Muhrlin, hoping you stay in touch with us. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll see you next time.